Hello everyone, the time has finally come. Galaxy S22 Ultra is here. It just arrives, so now I will start unboxing and compare it with my S22 Ultra. Did Samsung improve something? Let me show you. Okay guys, let's just check the box and what's inside, of course. In front, Galaxy S22 Ultra. Personally, I didn't like this design. I don't know why Samsung did this. It is like a toy. I just don't think that's a serious box for such an expensive phone. Let me just show you how the S22 Ultra boxes look like. So, what do you think, guys? Which is better? This small phone here, I just don't like this. Maybe it's just me, but I think Samsung can do a better job with the box. Of course, the box this year is thicker. This is the S22 Ultra box and this is S23 Ultra box. A lot more thicker than S22, you can see it. What else we have in the box? Of course, in front is written Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the green version. That's why the whole background is green. And what we have here it is the model, which is SM918BDS, stands for dual SIM. My version is 512 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM. Color is green, it's made in Vietnam. Here on that side is just written Samsung. On the other side, Galaxy S23 Ultra. On that side nothing, and here I already show you. Let's check on the back of the box what we have here. Just typical things. You can see I already cracked the box. Let's start unboxing it. When you unbox it, this is the back of the phone. You can see the cameras. The whole accent is on the cameras. You just lift the upper part of the box and you see that cameras. Let's just check what we have inside. Here we have a typical quick start guide, SIM eject tool, and just the cable. USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's everything in the box. Okay, that's the upper part, only cable and SIM eject tool. Probably next year Samsung will skip also the SIM eject tool and the cable, and probably from 2025 they will start skipping the phones inside the box. Let's leave the phone. Okay guys, a different presentation from the last year. S22 Ultra wasn't like this. Now let's move that part. It is just a cardboard here, probably to protect your phone. Here is the back of the phone, the green one. You can see accent is on the camera. After a minute I will compare it with S22 Ultra, but you can imagine how this color looks like. Okay, let's check the front. Let's remove that plastic. Are you ready? Alright, now it's necked. Alright, immediately the feeling is this phone is more comfortable than S22 Ultra. I'm holding both phones now. On the left side is S22 Ultra and on the right side is S23 Ultra. You can see what's the difference. The camera, we have the surrounding camera with the color of the back, and probably the whole camera setup is a little bit bigger. Let's just put them neck to neck, but I think they are bigger. Yes, they are. The circles for the camera are bigger than S22 Ultra. But here I will show you what I'm talking about. You can see how the curvatures look like. This is S23 Ultra. It is more boxier, and of course that leads to more comfortable holding in your hand, and S22 Ultra is more rounded. Of course this is a personal preference, but I think S23 Ultra from the first hold it's more comfy than S22 Ultra. Just to clarify that, from the box we are missing here a screen protector. We have protectors on the side, on the top part, on the bottom part, but we are missing a screen protector just like as it was on S22 Ultra. Okay, now let's check what we have here on the sides. Here are the volume rockers on the right side and the power button. On the top side we just have the mic, and on the left side we have nothing. Clean side. On the bottom side we have here of course the S Pen, the loudspeaker, we have here the USB Type-C port and the SIM tray. What is the difference here? I will just compare it with, let's check what's the difference here. You can see what is really the difference. The difference is we have one hole more, probably one more microphone here on the S23 Ultra. Can you see it? Next to loudspeaker, here it is, and here we miss that. Also you can see what S Pen is looking like. Here it is more boxier to match the whole form factor of the phone, and here it is more rounded, of course to match that rounded corners. Let's check something interesting. Will the S Pen from 23 fit in 22? Let's check it. Probably no, but maybe it will be interesting for someone. No, because of this boxier type we can't just push it inside S22 Ultra. So the S Pen of S23 Ultra can't fit inside S22 Ultra. Let's check the volume rockers. You can see here they are more wider on the S23 Ultra. On S22 they are thicker, volume rocker and power button. Here on the S23 Ultra they are wider, a little bit bigger, probably again to be more comfortable. The antenna strips are placed on a different place, but that's almost everything which is different on these phones. Here we have that infrared autofocus, and here I think we missed that, or it is with different color. We'll check that later in the video comparisons. Alright, let's check which phone is heavier. This is S22 Ultra. 230 grams. And let's check now the S23. 233, so 3 grams more for S23 Ultra. Alright, I think we are ready and I can power on the phone. A welcome screen is coming. Let's just start it. So this animation is making look like the whole fingerprint area is bigger and wider. I'm not sure it is, but at least the animation makes it look like this. Alright, let's check the new features from One UI 5.1. You can see what's written here. We have now keep your eyes comfortable, adjust your screen colors automatically to reduce blue light and avoid eye strain. You can also turn on enhanced comfort to adjust color tones and contrast. This is something for me because I always have problems with Samsung phones and my eyes. That's why I can't use Samsung phones as my daily phones, because they just hurt my eyes. I hope 23 Ultra will make that better. This is something again from One UI 5.1. We have now battery indicators for all our devices. For S Pen, for Galaxy Buds, check the battery level of all your devices. Use the battery widget to check the battery level of your devices right from the home screen. You can see how much battery is left on your phone, Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watch, S Pen and other Samsung devices. So we have now a widget for all our Samsung devices and their battery. Listen where you want. You can switch audio output from earbuds to speakers to your phone, or from a media output panel. You can play music on multiple Wi-Fi devices at the same time. Find great look screen wallpapers. Get to the wallpaper library directly from the lock screen and choose from a wide variety of wallpapers to suit your style. Again, something specific for One UI 5.1. Answer calls without saying a word. Let calls be answered automatically to ask the reason for the call. You can't or don't want to talk, you can tap or type a response that will read aloud to the other caller. And that was it. Let's tap on finish and our phone should be ready. Familiar sound. We are inside our Galaxy now. Let's check if we have an update available or not. And we are using latest software for this device. Current version is AWA6. Security patch level is from 1st of January 2023. This is my case from S22 Ultra, Samsung silicone cover. Let's check S23 can fit inside it or can't. And what we have, guys, you can see the camera array is different and you can't fit S22 Ultra cases in S23 Ultra, sadly, because of more boxier design, and the camera array is different on S23 Ultra. And of course we are using One UI 5.1. So the setup is ready, our S23 Ultra is ready, we can start using it, and of course I will keep you informed with everything. Also, lots of comparison are coming with S22 Ultra, and if you have something specific in mind that you want from me to make a comparison with this device or with Mate 50 Pro or with Pixel 7 Pro, just let me know down in the comments and I will do that for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Have a nice day.